Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharia Brooks and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, like I always say. I've just been so busy. Honestly, YouTube has unfortunately have not been my priority, but I am back. I am fresh out of excuses. We're gonna just jump right in. So bear with me if I am, trying to get back into the swing. It's been a minute. Two things, guys. I'm so sorry about the audio in this video. I was recording in my camera case on top of my stand and wasn't aware how trash it sounds, so just know the next video will sound much better. Also, the Instagram name I have in my intro has changed to, it's no longer Sharia B Baby, it's Sharia B Official. So I just wanted to give you guys that heads up. I've gotten a couple inboxes stating that you guys haven't been able to find my Instagram account, so it is Sharia B Official, and I will update that when I do a brand new intro. So I will have all of the proper links in the bio. Enjoy. It's a new house that we moved into. I am filming in our dining room area. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have seen on my stories that I just sold my dining room table because it was the old table that was at our old house, went with the old decor, and for our new vibe, it does not go. Here we are in an empty dining room. Let me show you guys the house, not the house, but just like the decor pieces that I picked up from HOMEGOODS, and then we'll be back. Hydro flask for life. So yes, we like a very zen, comfortable vibe. We're both kind of like hippies at heart. I'll be the first one to admit that. And then something that he gets on me for is the fact that I love finding pieces that are from other parts of the world. Absolutely love it when I see that it's from like India or, you know, freaking Tahiti, Greece, like anywhere I can get my hands on items that are not, you know, no shade, but like made in China. Like I want quality, I want different, I want things that you don't see every single day. So those are some items that I collect and that I treasure that are in our house. So just know, like when I see something in HOMEGOODS and it says made in like Thailand, I'm like, I need it. Hand woven baskets, you know what I'm saying? I want the hand knitted blanket, not the mass produced cheapest quality for multiple quantity, you know? That's where I'm at. When I purchased this from HOMEGOODS, I was like liking the fact that the sand was brown, like a very neutral color. It also has like some kind of glittery specks in it. It's not very like, this is, I feel like more of a modern piece, but like the glass with, you know, it just kind of goes with the vibe. So I needed something to fill up those shelves. I actually purchased this for our old house because we did have shelving there as well, but I feel like it fits pretty nicely in our shelving system that we have here. Used to be cabinets, like wooden brown cabinets. It was so hideous, you guys. Like we did a lot of upgrades to this house. So this guy, I think he was no more than $20. I have a horrible habit on keeping tags on, and David has a habit on snatching all the tags off. So I'll try and get pricing as much as possible, but this is a HOMEGOOD piece that I really like. It's not new, but you guys may be able to find it based off of, you know, how frequent these sit on the shelves there. However, is one of my newest HOMEGOOD piece finds. There is just something about this piece of art. So, okay, yay, I still have the tag on it. Super excited about that. So it is originating from Central India. This beautiful handmade, just saying, I just need a little bit more silence for like another 20 minutes, please. So this piece, again, what I mentioned before, I love finding pieces that are handmade from other countries and locations of the world. It just is that much more special to me. This was $29.99. Another piece that I'm going to show you guys is this basket. It does have blankets in it, so just ignore that. Absolutely love it. It's huge, but now that we have a little puppy, she has made her way to the basket, kind of chewing on it, but I'm going to stand up and kind of show you guys what it looks like. So this is she, and I absolutely love it. Like the detailing on this basket, and if I'm not mistaken, this one is from that perfect cookie cutter type basket. So I love the fact that, you know, it is different, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Another piece found from HOMEGOODS is this bowl, you guys. I absolutely love this bowl. I do not have, wait, does it say where it's from? Shoot, the tag on where it's from is off, but I know this is from another place in the world. I just cannot pinpoint and put my finger on it, but I keep this sitting out on our kitchen countertops with our wooden spoons in there. So yeah, this came with this guy. I'm not sure what this is called, but it's absolutely unique. I love it. I like the fact how it has, you know, like different grooves on it. It's just different, and I could really appreciate it. And this was $19.99. I absolutely love this, and this sits by our front door on the on our like catch-all table, console table. And then I'm gonna look at the bottom for the price. Let's hope it's still there. Oh yeah, okay, so this guy was $39.99, and this piece was also made in India. You guys just look at the detailing on this item. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love. I could not let this pass me by. I don't know, there's just something about it that I'm obsessed with, so love her. I feel like I got pretty lucky on finding these beads. I see a lot of different influencers show like their coffee table beads, and you know, just different beads and how they style them. But I was in HOMEGOODS, and absolutely I feel like I scored big on this item. I absolutely love these beads, and I wanted to get the Amazon beads that, you know, everyone is showing, but I'm so glad I came across these because there is so much detail. They are one of a kind to me, and I don't know, they just have a kind of like a story to them for some reason. So this is what they look like. They're pretty heavy too. So it is these beads, and it has a cross at the bottom of it. And this is like metal, you guys. So it is legitimate. I feel like this is like a handmade piece, but look at the detailing, you guys, on these beads. How beautiful. It just screams character. It's like very kind of vintagey. It gives like a Indian, Moroccan kind of vibe. I don't know, I'm probably off. So if you guys can get these beads, I recently got them too, maybe about 2 weeks ago. They may still have them, so I would definitely run and, you know, go find them if you can. But I just absolutely love them. Like the color, you know, just like the wear and tear on them. Absolutely stunning. Love, love, love. And they're really heavy too. Okay. So I will include a clip on how I style everything in the house. You guys will see how exactly they're placed on our shelves in a bowl. Moving on to the bowl. So you know how like you find one item and then you just kind of become obsessed with kind of collecting them? I don't know, you guys, why, but I love bowls, like wooden bowls. Okay, piece of hair. I love like wooden bowls, and especially like different kind of bowls, and I'm just kind of bowled out. There's no more space for bowls in our house. So I'm glad I found this one. This is a gorgeous bowl. It has a lot of texture to it. Very natural feeling. It feels like it was just shaped and cut and carved. This is actually a Studio McGee bowl. I just seen the tag at the bottom, not HomeGoods, but either way, I'm pretty sure you can find something like this in HomeGoods, or just run to Target and get this bowl, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it fits the beads perfectly. Like the way it sits on there, it's like it was made for each other, you know. At least this is not like one of my favorite pieces that I found from HomeGoods, but I originally bought it from my office that I had at one of my old jobs, and I just decided to style it and keep it in our house. It is from HomeGoods as well, and I do like it a lot. David's not a fan really of it, but I personally like it. I like the black and white. Our home is pretty neutral colors, a lot of whites, a lot of grays, green, you know, earthy vibes. So this kind of like goes into the mix of it all. So guys, this jug is so heavy, but it's something about it that I just like. I love the fact that it's different. I love that, you know, it does have some weight to it. It is one of the kind, I feel like, kind of item as well. And as you guys can see, this thing is huge. I just have a couple sticks of pampas in here. Where did I get this pampas from? I forgot where I got the pampas from, but this is like the real pampas. And I picked this up. This was like a last year item. You may not be able to find it in HomeGoods anymore, but it was, price is gone as well. Sorry guys, I don't have a price on this guy, but again, such a beautiful piece, so different. And you know, I just feel like it kind of catches the eye as you are, you know, just observing the decor in the space. So yeah, this is something that I really do enjoy, and I do plan on filling it with pretty, like a full head of pampas. I kind of like will take pieces of my pampas from different places of our house and like stick it here and then stick it there. So I want it like nice and fluffy up top. So we do have like a couple spots close to us that has pampas, so I might go at night and do a little snipping. So yeah guys, I really do enjoy this piece as well. Alright guys, so that does conclude our HomeGoods haul. That like our styling, the way we styled our HomeGoods pieces. I know it's not, our pieces are not brand new considering we have had some of the items for a while. I just wanted to include them all in this video so you guys can just get an idea on, you know, the collected items we've kind of like brought together. And you guys can see also how I styled them in the house. Please let me know what you guys think about it, and I will be back with more content like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can get more content like this from me. Also, please as well hit the bell and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you found something that you liked in this video, or if we have similar styles, or if you just enjoy my vibe, go ahead and like this video. All the likes, anything you can do to help me with my views will be amazing. That does help my channel out, and it's free to support. So I thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.